Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Aries, please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June, Aries. Aries. Okay. Naharap kayo sa isang desisyon. Okay. You have to protect yourself or to defend yourself, Aries. Okay. You don't want other people or a certain person to ruin your happiness, okay? You are a successful person, Aries. Sa trabaho ninyo, namamayagpag kayo, okay? May mga taong gustong sumira sa inyo. Maybe a group of people. A group of people is not good for you, okay? You're not sure if they are true to you or hindi. Okay. You are protecting yourself, your success. Okay, meron talagang nangingialam sa buhay ninyo, Aries. And this is something na stressful, okay? Pero matapang kayo, malakas kayo, Aries. Hindi kayo basta-basta natitinag. Meron kayong kakayahan to protect yourself. Okay? Maybe for some of you, you are thinking or some of you is thinking about a Leo, okay? A Leo personality na medyo matigas ang ulo. Okay? Not cooperating. Kung ano man to ang pinoproblema ninyo o iniisip ninyo, Aries, you will be able to overcome it, okay? You have the courage, you have the strength, meron kayong kakayahan, kapasidad to overcome kung ano man to mga iniisip or pinoproblema ninyo sa group of people na nasa paligid ninyo, a circle of friends, okay? You just want to be or to stay away from them. Okay? For some of you, nape-pressure ka sa kanila. There will be a clarity or magkakaroon ng solusyon ang inyong pinoproblema, okay? Kung may problema about sa family, magkakaroon ng forgiveness, okay? May kapatawaran na mangyayari, okay? Mayroong planning or discussion. For some of you, nagpapatayo ng bahay, okay? And nagbibigay ito sa inyo ng stress, maraming nakikialam. You will be completing a project successfully and this is something that will give you pride, okay? At tiwala sa sarili na kaya mo yung mga na kaya mong panindigan ang inyong mga desisyon. Okay? Na kaya mong tapusin yung mga ginagawa mo, kaya mong tapusin successfully. okay, na magagawa mo ito, yung isang bagay. Yung ginagawa mo na to, this is something for your family to give pride, okay, and happiness. You've done an amazing job, a wonderful job, Aries. And that's why you are receiving this success. For some of you, you will be traveling, okay, internationally. Or makikilala ka internationally, Aries. Merong pag-uusap, merong planning, okay? Because you have done something successful. It's an achievement. Okay. May mga naisip kang idea. Okay. About work, something na or may naisip kang mga solusyon about sa work mo. You have brilliant mind. Okay? Very focused ka sa ginagawa mo, sa trabaho mo, very busy. Okay? You are also learning on something, maybe you are studying or ini-improve mo palalo yung sarili mo sa certain skills na meron ka. You've been thinking a lot about this. Okay? For some of you, maybe studying abroad. Okay? Traveling. You are very determined to succeed, Aries. Okay? You are ambitious. Meron ding tao na kumukulit sa inyo, okay? Wanting to work things out between you two, Aries. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, there is marriage na magaganap, okay? There is a commitment that will happen. You will be expanding a family, okay? You will have an extended family, Aries. May mga taong mababait, sinusuportahan ka. Okay? So, yes, merong celebration, maybe a wedding na pinagpaplanuhan. For some of you, it will be held in another country, okay, or abroad. A group of friends will be there to support you and celebrate you, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo hindi nakakatulog na sa kakaisip or excited na about sa celebration. Okay? May anxiety attack. Okay? But whatever this is, it's going to be a successful one, Aries. Okay? There is a celebration. Okay, for some of you will be attending a seminar, okay, will be studying abroad and will be meeting a lot of people from different a lot of people of different culture, okay? An organization that you will be joining with. Pinag-isipan mo to ng matagal. Okay? For some of you, you will be transferring work abroad. You will be joining a new company. Okay, Aries. So this is good news for you. Okay? Nice. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. You are a strong person, ambitious, Aries, okay? You are very successful in everything that you do. Okay? You are leveling up. Let's see, ano pa yung mga messages para sa Aries. Casket, someone going out of your life or the end of a situation. Okay? So, for some of you, may mga nangyayaring ganyan. Okay? End of a situation with someone. Okay? Ear, good news, okay? Merong good news kang matatanggap, Aries. Okay, maybe may approval na ng inyong application. Maybe application for the visa, okay? Because you're going abroad. Bagong kontrata with sorrow over a loss. So, may loss na mangyayari. But this is not for everyone, okay? 3, affairs with your family. Okay? For some of you are very busy attending different affairs, no? Or affairs within the family. Marami kayong inaasikaso, cat, a two-faced friend. So, meron kang kaibigan, beware sa mga kaibigan or mga katrabaho na hindi sincere. Iba yung pinapakita sa'yo, and then pag nakatalikod ka, iba ang sinasabi. Okay? People who are wearing false mask, mag-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan. Funnel, a period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Okay? So, in every disappointment or frustration, may mga lessons dyan na meron tayong matutunan, Aries. Okay? So, do not give up. Okay? Whatever challenges na mangyayari sa inyo or na mga parating, so you will be successful. Meron kang kakayahan, meron kang tapang, lakas ng loob to overcome it. Okay, Aries? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message sa'yo. Additional message for Aries, please. Message for Aries. Number 55. Substantial change is in your life or in your future. Embrace the change and need to overcome your insecurities and let go of your fears. I am evolving. Okay, so Aries, this is the message for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.